So Google AI just dropped another amazing feature which is called the Nano Banana. Nano Banana. And in this video, we will learn how to use the Nano Banana to generate our image and our video. Of course, this is fast digits. If you haven't subscribed yet, please hurry up and do that, as you will learn a lot in this few, of course, minutes that we will spend in this tutorial. So without any further ado, let's hop in to the video. So once you open your Google AI, of course, Google AI Studio, you will have this is it. It's saying try Nano. So we're going this, okay? Try Nano, and this is Nano, if I'm not mistaken. This is Nano. So I'll be trying with some few prompts that I do have, and let's go there. And this is my prompt already. So I'll just copy this prompt and then I'll see how far I can go. Okay, then control, then run. Let's see. They say turn drive to save this conversation. So if I want to save my conversations, it's advisable for me to turn on enable my Google Drive. But for now, I don't want to. So let's just see what we can do. So say here is a cinematic scene chase. This is amazing. You understand? This is amazing. And if I want to rerun this prompt, if I'm not okay with this, I can click on rerun. But before then, let me save this, download. Okay, save, download. Then let's rerun this. Okay, I'm not okay with this. Let's say I'm not okay. Then let's click on rerun. Then it will just take some few minutes, and then of course it will generate the image. And these images are very, very amazing. Are you seeing this? Very, very amazing images, crispy images. Okay, so this is a new feature that they just added, and of course, you don't want to be left out. So this is it. This is amazing. I love this. This is amazing, and I know you also love this. So what are you waiting for? Hop in and start exploring. You can do this by yourself with your smartphone or your laptop. You can generate amazing images and video. And one good thing about this is that it has 0 watermark. Okay, the watermark that we have here is here, and this watermark is looking like more of, in fact, it's adding to the beauty of the entire picture. So it's not even visible if you want to look at it. So let's work with sample media first. Wow, this is amazing. So let's add to prompt. Okay, so let's see what we have. Okay, we just added an image and then we gave it a prompt. Let's see if it can give us what I'm trying to imagine. Remember, you can play around with this. It is your choice. It is still for free. So what are you waiting for? Stop saying that I'll do it tomorrow. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do that. So you see, this is amazing. So you can use this for, in fact, for your design. Let's take, for instance, you want to make a design, something amazing, your flyer design, or of course maybe your thumbnail. You can come here and generate your nice images. So let me still play around with that. Click on add, and then media sample. Of course, media sample, transportation. You can choose anyone. I just want to do something here. Add, and then the paste. So let's see what we can have from this. Let's see what it can give us. I think understatement was amazing is an understatement. Look at what this is doing. Like, are you seeing this? So if you are designing a thumbnail, this is a very good one for you. Okay, if you are designing a flyer or anything, this is a very good one. This is it. It's a very good one. So everything still relies on your prompting. But if you're not good at prompting, don't worry, ChatGPT will help you out in the prompting, but you have to drop something from your head first and it can help you and refine it. So this is amazing. This is an amazing feature. So let's still go to our insert, okay, because I want to explore and see. Alright, so upload image. Let's see. Let me upload an image from my device and let me see if it will work. Let me see if it will work with it. And okay. I don't know. I'm scared that this thing might ruin the whole prompt, but let's run and see. Okay. This is amazing. You need to start using this. I don't know what you're waiting for. This is Google AI Studio. This is amazing. And what I'm using here is called the Nano Banana. Nano Banana. So I don't know what you're waiting for. Like, are you seeing this? See the atmosphere. Eh? I now have multiple hands. Let's run it again and see. Because I don't want to see that hand, the 3 hands. But it's not looking as if we're in the war zone. Are you seeing the flares? I love this. So if you're a graphic designer out there, this is another amazing one for you. This is called the Nano Banana. You can use it to generate images, okay? It will save you the stress of long editing using your Photoshop or any other software you're using. So instead of me looking for a way to add this fire, add these thematic things, and look at the flares on the clothes, you can just use your Nano AI, okay, as your Nano Banana to generate these images with the right promptings, okay? With the right promptings, you are good to go. So I'll download my image because I like it. It's very good. It's very, very good. Very, very good. Very, very good. Are you seeing the previous one? See the previous one. And of course, this is the new one. Are you seeing this? Well, this is the one it gave me. And this one is looking as if the place was catching. This is fire. Like the fire is burning there. Like, bro, that was not what I asked you to do. But this is it. Now, if you look at this, it maintained the way the image was because of the prompting. This one now, I think distorted the image. So the same thing but different views. So this is amazing, okay? When I say amazing, I mean this is amazing. So having said this, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. For adventure, you want to learn this AI image generation, okay? You want to learn it and you want to really know how to generate images very well. What are you waiting for? You can do it here. So thank you very much for sticking around with me, and of course, see you next time. Bye bye.